Hey there, art lovers. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA. Welcome to our first drawing challenge of this channel. It's not just cute, it's not just quirky, it's in celebration of Valentine's Day. So get ready to tap into your creativity and let your imagination run wild. All right, let's dive right in. Your challenge, should you accept it, is to take our simple 3-minute mouse and mushroom directed drawing tutorial, seen here, and add a Valentine's Day twist to it. We want to see love sprinkled all over these drawings. Use these examples from our Christmas drawing challenge and the same drawing tutorial to fuel your inspiration. Be it a heart-shaped mushroom or a love-struck mouse, let your imagination fly. Get creative with colors, patterns, and symbols, all that represent love and affection. Oh, and don't forget to add some Valentine Day messages, like maybe a sweet I love you or be my Valentine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this challenge is for everyone. Make it family fun. It's all about having fun and spreading the love through art. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this challenge. Just let your artistic style shine and make it your own masterpiece. And once you've completed your Valentine's Day themed mouse and mushroom, share it with us by posting and using hashtag StudioCIA Valentine's Challenge. I can't wait to see all the creative love you'll be adding. So grab those pencils, paintbrushes, and whatever medium you prefer, and let's get drawing. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself, and what better way to celebrate Valentine's Day than with creativity? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting challenges, tutorials, and artmosphere. Until next time, keep spreading the love with your amazing artwork. Happy drawing!